Hey everybody, Tim here, and we have some news for the Genesis project. So we're about to open up an early beta program for those who have a standard stereo system, not the premium audio system. So in this beta, we don't quite yet have the CAN bus capability working, which is one of the reasons why we can't do the premium audio. It requires CAN bus signals to actually adjust the volume in there, but we also are just kind of doing the final testing to try to do the display from the CAN bus data for climate control information up onto the tablet. So this beta would be including our electronics without the climate control CAN bus connections in there for right now. That would be something that would be added on once it's ready, so you're able to order it once it's ready. But this would allow you to be able to get going with the plastics and the stereo equipment in there and integrate it into your vehicle. And then we'd add in the CAN bus stuff later, which literally is a USB connection into our electronics. And then a couple of pins that you would slide into the factory harness that we supply on the electronics as well to be able to get those connections in place. So we'll be starting to send out the discount codes for those that have put down deposits. So you'll have your own personal discount code to be able to apply your deposit to any orders that are on there. And as soon as we've got some of the CAN bus stuff finalized on there, then we'll be opening it up to others to make orders. So hopefully there's some of you out there that this was a good start, and we'll get this project up and going.